Jersey number 12, shooting from the free throw line for the proper uniform of the team Bonos. Basket count.
Dapat na ba, Jay? Ay, dapat. Dapat pa ba? Swimming sila.
For the first tip-off, jersey number 0, secure the rebound. Here comes Romana, kick out to Valeriana. Finding Yana. No! Rebound by jersey number 31. Steal. Steal again by Yana to Valeriano. Valeriano. Kick out to Zamora. Zamora finding his teammates. San Luis. Steal by Conga. Steal by Bugal. Finding out his teammates. Bugal. 18 on the shot clock. Finding Manalo. Traveling violation. First turnover for the side of Bonos. Here comes Valeriano with another. 16 on the shot clock. Kick out to Yana. Fire 13. Short again. Rebound by Valeriano. Here comes Valeriano. Steal by Bugal. 2 points. Benedict Bugal. Back to Valeriano. 18 on the shot clock. Out of bounds. Same ball. 15 to shoot. Valeriano tries for 3. No. Rebound by Bugal again. 20 on the shot clock. Finding his teammates. Bugal. Onto the rear side. Manalo uses his body. Block. Finding Zamora. 10 on the shot clock. Zamora. Bugal. 5 on the shot clock. Manalo onto the middle side. Pascal Manalo. Here comes Yana setting the play for his team. Kick out to Valeriano. Back to Brilata. Steal. Here comes Bugal on the run. Benedict Bugal. Steal by Manalo. Finding Bugal. Jersey number shot clock. Manalo. Lose the handle. Steal by Brilata. Out of bounds. Back on the Oval. Take the possession. Last 7 minutes of the first quarter. Back to Yana. Kick out to Romano. Finding Yana. Intercept pass. Steal. Here comes Zamora on the run. Zamora. Side-stepping move. Basket and one. Timeout. Bottom Looban. Bonus free throw for Zamora. Shooting his bonus free throw. Missed the shot. Here comes Valeriano with the leather again. Kick out to Romano. Back to Valeriano. Romano again. Finding Valeriano. 9 on the shot clock. Tonga to Brilata. 2 points. More. Brilata. Here comes Bugal with the basketball. Finding San Luis on the other side. Bugal. Stop and cross 3. No. Here comes Yana. Lead pass to Tonga. Tonga. Here comes Zamora again. Finding Manalo. 15 on the shot clock. Zamora with the jumper. Basket one. Who scored it? Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, that's his first personal foul, second team foul. Here comes Ashley Zamora, shooting his bonus free throw. Make a 3-point play for jersey number 20, Ashley Zamora. Back to Maynard Diana, 20 on the shot clock. Here comes Valeriano, kick out to Romano, finding Pilata. Valeriano, kick out to Maynard Diana, 5-3, no! Rebound by Quinones. There's the foul whistle. Foul by jersey number 18. That's his first personal foul. Jersey foul. A 4-point game. Here comes Bugal with the basketball. Tackling violation. Turnover for the side of Ronalds. And Rapid Lawman will take the possession. Here comes Romano. Kick out to Valeriano. 5-13. No. Rebound by Quinones. Zamora. Steal by Romano. Here comes Manalo again. With the handle. Bounce. Shoot. Rebound by Romano. Kick out to Valeriano. Here comes Valeriano. Basket and one. Foul by jersey number 333. That's his first personal foul, first team foul. Timeout. And 59 seconds in the first quarter. All tied by 11. Jersey number 12 will have his bonus free throw. Gabriel Valeriano. Make a 3-point play for Valeriano. Finding his teammate, here comes Zamora. With the leather. Taking out to Bugal. 15 on the shot clock. Too strong pass. Turnover. Here comes Valeriano. Kicking out to Romano. Romana. 2 points. Matthew. Romano. Out of bounds, same ball, intercept pass. Here comes San Luis, steal by Tonga. Lead pass to Valeriano. Gabriel Valeriano. Here comes Bugal, steal by Tonga. On the run, here comes jersey number 18. Finding Valeriano. Gabriel Valeriano. And there's the foul committed. So by jersey number 8, that's the second personal foul. 14 foul, warning for penalty. Finding Zamora. Kick out to Bugal. Ashley Zamora. Jersey number 20. That's his first personal foul, second team foul. Two bonus free throws for Mark Tromba. First throw, basket count. There's the second one. Back to Bugal. Batabawan giving pressure. Here comes Manalo. Lays the leg. Rebound is no miss. Back to Zamora. Fakes. Manalo. Rebound by Oreta. Here comes De La Cruz. Jersey number 7. Steal. With jersey number 20. Here comes Zamora on the run. Floater. Rebound by Bugal. 15 on the shot clock. Cross-court pass to Manalo. 5 on the shot clock. Bugal, 14. Basket and one. For the jersey number 17. That's his first personal foul penalty. Here comes jersey number 30 to rebound. Jersey number 17, hard for three. No. Rebound by De La Cruz. Here comes Ibanez, 8 on the shot clock. Tonga. No. Rebound by San Luis. Take out to Manalo. Lose the handle. Kick out to Quinones. No. Rebound by Tonga. Here comes Oreta on the run. Oreta. No. Rebound by Talupo. Finding Oreta. Still by Zamora on the run. Lead pass to Manalo. Missed the shot. Talupo with the rebound. Last 19 seconds on the third. 10 seconds. Talupo, 5 for 3.